like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel TV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make Independence Day badge. So let's get started. So first we will take a paper and fold it like a fan shape. And cut the excess part. Now let's fold it in half. Same way we have to make more too. And cut the white one from center. Now stick this on. Now take a piece of a paper and stick it on it. Now let's take our Ashoka chakra and stick it. Now here I have three color strips. Let's stick it. So it has been stuck. Let's take a piece of a paper and a safety pin and stick it. And our Independence Day badge is ready. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.